Hi, origami friends. This is Leila Torres of origamispirit.com. Today, I want to invite you to join me for a live origami folding session. We will be making this charming mother hen and baby chick. As you can see, this is a flat model, perfect for attaching it to a greeting card, especially with the spring and Easter coming up, or also for Mother's Day. We will meet on Saturday, March 8th at 2 p.m. US East Coast time. That's the time zone of New York City. You will need just one square piece of paper, red on one side and any other color on the other side. You can fold along with me live and ask questions. Since room for this class is limited, you do need to register in advance. To register, follow the link that appears in the description of this video. We still have some places available, but please make sure you register now to secure your place. I look forward to folding with you on Saturday, March 8th. Register now.